Oh yeah. Ready? Where am I going with it? Over here? You guys ready to see how beautiful this fish is? 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. That's it. Game over. Oh, let me take a look. Live cargo. Open her up. Dude, it's honestly so What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're surprising a great friend of mine for a birthday present, the most epic fish I have ever purchased in my life. And when I mean it, I mean it. This is the most badass fish I've ever bought in my life. Before we get to the fish store and do all that, farm updates, because real quickly, gotta update everyone on what's going on. No more pigs in this enclosure. They're all actually over there. If you didn't watch last video, watch it. You see, he is indeed back. Gary's back. We're a lot closer to the neighbors of this house. All right. There you go. There, piece of hair. Don't you just hate that when you can't get it? It's like a spider web. A lot of comments about Kevin. Where's Kevin? Where's the Muscovy Kevin? Kevin, I didn't bring for 2 reasons. One reason being, he's a wild Muscovy. The last thing I want to do is take him from the wild and bring him here. I'd have to clip his wings. It's very inhumane, let's just say that. He's also an invasive species. The Muscovy duck here in Florida is like littered throughout the streets. 2, he hasn't been back to the farm. Ever since I left the farm, he was there for a couple weeks after, and then he would fly away, be gone for weeks, and then fly back for like a day or 2 and leave again. Wild Muscovy, he flies around, he does his own thing. The last thing I wanted to do is bring him back here. Kevin's still roaming the canals over there at the old house. Like that wild stallion he is. Beautiful bird. Look at the little ducklings coming at me. But what you don't see, this building, our 1,400 square foot fish building, now has AC. And as a matter of fact, my guy is walking up right now. 5-ton unit, baby. Look at that sucker. Oh yeah. And bringing that big old unit along the pond side was a little bit sketchy, not gonna lie, but we got it done. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Things are just falling in place right now. I mean, that's a big unit. It does look amazing. So there is obviously the air pump, and then it's just gonna pump out all these individual squares, which is gonna spread it throughout the entire building. We'll have a lot of airflow, but it's beautifully done. Couldn't ask for it any better. Look at that. And there's the vents it's all gonna be pushing out of. I can't wait to get the wire ran so we can get this thing going so it can get nice and cool in here. I can focus on resetting up all these tanks. That is an axolotl tank, just to let everyone know. I'm getting the sickest axolotl. It's already on order. I'm gonna set that up very, very soon, because guess what else is done? Not only the AC, power. We got power, the whole building, 10 outlets. All the outlets are in. I can't even believe I haven't showed this yet. There's outlets everywhere. I mean, one right there, one over there, another one right here. And as you can see, it's very neatly ran, obviously. We had everything neat. Another one right there, another one right there, another one right there, another one. Bam, bam. Tell you what though, I don't mind spending all that money when the job is done right. I've had bad experiences with companies in the past. These guys over here absolutely killed it. And that's also why I stick with Hector for all my other stuff, because Hector, he don't play around, he makes stuff good. Find your people, surround yourself with hardworking people. Take care of them, that's the biggest thing. And I tell you what, you'll have a great team. Pigs, they're all over here now. Look at them all, happy and destroying my brand new sod. Gotta love that. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Hey, Lady May, and obviously Mango up in there. I see you peeking, big boy. Ready? Where am I going with it? Over here? Over here? Over here? Over here? Over here? Over here? How long do you think you could do it for before they just start getting pissed and screaming at me? All right, let's just dump it right there. There you go, everyone. So now that you got an update on the farm, and of course, the building has got electricity outlets and AC now. I mean, come on. Let's go surprise a great friend of mine with one heck of a fish. We're here to make this happen. I got a cooler, just got it from Walmart. Biggest one they had. It even rolls. And we're here to pick up one of the most beautiful fish. I wish it was mine, I'm not gonna lie. Top Shelf Aquatics, baby. Let's go. Hey man, don't you think this size cooler would be big enough?
Oh yeah. Actually, I don't know. That might not be. That might not be big enough.
Dude, I bought a big cooler, and now I come to see the fish. I was told it was 12 inches. It's definitely bigger than that. I think we're good.
Yeah, only one way to find out.
Put it in. This is the aerator. I got an aerator too, because obviously we need oxygen. You guys ready to see how beautiful this fish is? Watch this. Bam! Holy moly. That's probably like 16 inches.
I would say about 16.
This is an emperor angel, one of the most beautiful fish I've ever seen in my entire life. very large. Someone literally traded this in, right?
Yeah, so basically my supplier texted me saying, hey, old customer just traded this in, do you want it? And I said, yeah. He didn't really respond to that, and then it just showed up here. And,
And now you have a very expensive, how much is this fish worth?
we were gonna sell it for $1,500.
$1,500 fish, right there. And guess what? Emperor sold, P. Cuffaro. Bam, you're mine, baby. Actually, you're my friends. We're not gonna say the name yet because we don't wanna spoil the surprise here.
Splash zone.
Is it a splash zone?
It's gonna get pretty
That is a very large fish. That is actually probably the most beautiful fish I've ever seen. Zero lying, no cap.
It's crazy to see him this big. It's like you see him smaller and it's like, oh, this is a really pretty fish, but to see one basically full size.
There's actually a smaller one of him.
Yeah,
on the other side. Look how big that thing is now. Look at this. This is a smaller one.
hey, little guy.
So pretty. So that's literally the little version. The little version. The Emperor Angel over here. Now, whoop-bam! Big version. I got the ultimate. I wish I had the saltwater pond right now. That thing is so pretty. But I'm excited to see where it is going because it's gonna look baller inside the pond. I'm also here for next video. Next video we actually stocked up on a bunch of stuff for my fish tank. Let me show you. I'll give you a little sneak peek, okay? Look at all this stuff we just bought. That's all for next video. So make sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'm gonna post that maybe the next upload. I won't say tomorrow because that's a lot of editing, but next video will be that. We got a bunch of stuff for our saltwater tank. An eel. What? Water's in the cooler. We're getting right to work here. We wasted zero time.
Yeah.
Walked in straight to work.
Yeah,
Who's netting it? That's the real question.
I'm doing it. Don't worry.
Yeah?
I got
Okay.
it.
All right.
Yeah,
I know you're not
yeah.
really tall, so you might want to use this.
Oh, set a timer. 3,
2, 1. Yes. Oh,
He is.
God. He's a jukester. Look, he's using the cooler. Told you.
I'm kneeing on the cooler, right?
How far are we in? 19 seconds.
Don't mind my microphone.
Oh, here we go. That's it. Game over.
Oh my.
Splash zone. Oh, 35 seconds.
We're going for under a minute.
Let's go.
Got him. Got him.
58 seconds. You did under a minute.
That was a goal.
58 seconds. That's plenty big for
Oh
him.
yeah, he's got
Oh yeah. Why is my camera not focusing? What's going on? Let me take a look. Look at that.
Beautiful fish.
Yes. Now I tell you what, we probably should hit the road ASAP because we got a big and expensive fish on our hands with a 2.5 hour ride home. I did buy an aerator, like I said. Got an aerator right here, Baby Bubbles.
Baby bubbles.
That's all they had. I looked for the bigger ones, they didn't have any. Baby Bubbles will give enough oxygen for the ride home.
I felt
Yeah,
it.
you were feeling really pressured there. You had a minute and you got it in 58 seconds. I'm proud of you.
I appreciate that. That deserves some likes, I think.
I think it does. You guys should smash the like button. What the?
Are you gonna be paying cash or card?
I don't even have that on either. You guys are crazy, man. Top shelf over here. Got $1 million fish. No, we're just kidding. That's actually really cool. That is cool to see on a machine. I should stick this Emperor Angel sticker right on my forehead so everyone knows that we have an Emperor Angel in the truck. We got all this stuff for next video, which you'll see if you subscribe with the notifications on. Are you sad that this fish is leaving?
A little bit, but also one, it clears up room for me, but it's going to like the perfect place. So.
Literally, the perfect place. Like, there's no other person that I know would have a space for something this big. Top Shelf Aquatics, baby. Shout out to my boys over here located in Orlando, Florida. I'll have the description of the store down below. You putting the seatbelt on him? Such a great guy. Alrighty, buddy. Oh, look at you in the sunlight.
That's sick.
Sheesh. All right, buddy. Thank you, boys.
Later, man.
Appreciate both of you. You can go check out Colson's channel down below, and you have an Instagram I could probably shout out,
Yeah,
right?
Jed Panza.
Perfect. I'll have Jed's Instagram down below, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This is an epic fish, and I can't wait to get it to Nick's. Oh my goodness. We've made it with our fish. Live cargo in my little rolling cooler. How many people could say they've rolled an Emperor angelfish inside of a drink cooler? Going around the back side here. We're here. I'm excited. He has no idea that I bought him. Hey, how you doing, David?
What's up, man?
My
How's
boy
it going?
David Bell. Dude, you used to film my videos a while ago. Now he's making Nick's videos. We're here at Nick's house. Where's Nick at?
Nick.
Hey, buddy. What's going on, dog? Nick! Hey, Nick.
Paul?
Hey, Nick.
There he is.
Hey, bud.
Why is he here?
I got you a little birthday present, man. So, it was Nick's birthday yesterday. I'm a horrible friend. I hadn't even got him anything. Dude, I already put it in your garage. It's this cooler right here. I went around the side door. Yeah, it's in this cooler right here. I need you to open it. This thing is, dude, let me just tell you right now, you got a lot of fish. Like, this is crazy. Don't have this. I don't think you've ever had anything like that. It's another level. Hey, you wanna film?
Yeah.
Thanks, David. You used to film so
No, I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. I don't know, I can't tell when this guy's being serious tonight. He messes with me.
I put a shrimp in there.
Yeah, it could be like a little shrimp.
Open her up. Yo,
Are you kidding me?
how hard is that snap?
Snap. That doesn't even do, snap doesn't even do the justice. Like,
That goes crazy, right?
whew.
No
Your
time for
phone
phone
call.
calls right now.
Dude.
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, bro. That is insane. Like, that's a fish.
That's probably like 15 years old.
That's crazy.
Bro. Oh, man, bring it in, man. Come on. Bring it in, man.
Look how tiny this guy is. Dude, that's honestly
His best birthday gift. Seriously.
the coolest fish.
This is
I
the
think
most
I've ever
relatable
seen.
gift someone got me. Everyone's been getting me, like, I got a tape measure, stuff like that. Someone actually brought me something I enjoy.
Now, for some of you that may be unfamiliar with Nick Bingo, this is my friend Nick. We've been friends since day one, like literally before I even started this channel. He's got this beautiful 5,500 gallon saltwater pond in his garage. Emperor snapper, blue and yellow cod, bumblebee grouper, what do they call that, a batfish? Batfish, triggerfish, I mean, you name it, it's in this pond. Moray eel, tessellata eel, like so much, crazy. Actually, sharks in here as well. Look at these. Got two sharks right there, stingray right there, and there's actually a brown banded bamboo shark in here too, which is the exact same shark that I believe I have inside my tank in the egg. It's got a lot of space for this fish to swim around in. Hence why the guys at Top Shelf said this is the perfect place for it to go. He's had all these fish in here since they were literally the size of like the palm of your hand. The moray eel down there.
But dude, what I was gonna say is, that Emperor Angel will school with the batfish.
Yes, he 100% will. He will be schooling with
About
that
the same
batfish.
size. and
Ready?
He loves
Got
to
it.
hang out.
What are you feeding them? What is that, like krill?
Dried krill, yeah.
Dried krill.
They all love it, man.
It's actually the same size as mine that I just got in my fish building. Same exact size, except for I have 4 viewing panels. He's got the one right here. Still so baller. I mean, look at those fish. Are we dripping?
We're dripping.
We are dripping.
More like
it's
porn.
gonna be a little bit. We literally did that rock work together, me and Nick. That was a really fun time too, because it was like building a real reef. We are still going here, still acclimating. All right, Nick, it's time.
Time.
It's time to put your fish in.
I'm excited.
Emperor Angel. Here you go, David.
Alrighty.
Yo, wait, before we put him in though, who's naming them? Do I get to name them or do we let them in? Ooh.
You guys gotta name the fish down in the comments down below. Drop a comment.
Lots of comments.
Drop a comment down below. I got the GoPro running, and it's time to put this Emperor Angel in the pond.
We'll do it this way. He starts to get a little like,
I think you're good. Just watch those gill plates. Yeah. He'll ruin your day. Oh my goodness.
oh, you are gorgeous. Whoa. They're all checking him out like, what's that?
They're all like, what is that? And he's a size where they're not gonna mess with him.
No chance. Bro, give me some. Let's go. Let's go. That thing is insane.
That is the coolest fish in this pond.
It is. Bumblebee grouper, but nah, that is a cool.
But look how big the bumblebee grouper is.
Yeah, he's the OG, man.
Hulk the moray, the green moray eel, is just kind of just floating across the water here.
Is that your dog?
It's kind of fun. Is that your puppy?
Yeah.
Look at Nick. He's saying hi to you.
Hey!
Hey, buddy.
Dude, that is
Here he comes.
When you come back here, Paul.
Here he comes. Look at him. Oh, he's scared. He saw me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. I don't want to make eye contact. I don't want to scare him. Wow. You like that fish, huh?
So pretty, dude.
You're just looking straight down at him.
And like when I last had mine,
Yeah.
I was going through that whole, disease thing, so I couldn't move him into the saltwater pond at the time. Now I have the saltwater pond all stable, everything's looking good. Paul brought me one. Look at that. It's in there. Everything worked out. So sick.
Now you said these things are, that's the male?
So yeah, that is the male. You have the queen angel and you got the emperor angel. The emperor angels have a lot more colors. So.
The emperor angel is the guy we just put in, of course. Yeah. Right here.
They're like the kings.
This is the king, and then the queen is the queen angel.
Exactly.
All right, makes sense, makes sense. That's the king. All right, Nick.
Thank you, brother. Seriously.
I hope you enjoy him. He's beautiful. He's all the way over there. Yeah. I'm glad I got to surprise Nick with that fish. Hopefully you all enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet already, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. Go check out Nick's channel. That'll also be down in the description below. You can keep up on that fish and the many more that are in this pond.
Listen. Make sure you guys subscribe to this guy. He was nice enough to bring me over one of the coolest fish ever for my birthday.
That's so sweet of you.
Yeah, man. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Paul. He's the man.
Hey, thank you, Nick. That was an epic video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.